Hey guys, good morning. So Tony here. I just wanted to do a really quick, I think 5 day update now on the strong node that I've been running since the last week Saturday night. So officially it's been running a full 5 days, I think. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 6 days actually. So it's been running officially for 6 days now. Actually, let me connect my wallet. There we go. So in 6 days, it's made me 0.62 strong. I'm assuming that every single day it seems like it's making about a point 0.1 strong, and every 10 days or so will net one full strong coin. So in 1 month, we're probably looking at three strong tokens, right? Which again, because strong right now is a price of 420-ish probably, it's about a $1,200 net in passive income basically from each node, right? So I think I have my calculator open. I don't know. There we go. So strong is actually right now. Strong. So strong is 435 right now. Strong is $435. So 435 times point, what was it, like 62? So in 6 days, I made $269 passively by just kind of buying it and letting it run. I did spend around $4,500 for this node, and I think it's going to be essentially paid off in about 3 to 4 months. I am going to be making another node this weekend just to kind of show you guys from scratch. See, there you go. It already made another 0.001 strong. I will be releasing the full video this weekend because I already have my 10 strong tokens or my 10 strong coins on KuCoin. So I will be releasing a full video from scratch on how to essentially create your strong node, right? That's going to be released sometime today or tomorrow. But apart from that, I'm more than likely going to be buying another strong node just to kind of be holding on to that, right? So hopefully by Monday I have three strong nodes running. And then by then, my net, if strong stays around this $400 level, my net per month should be around 12, so $3,600 passively every single month. And then by then I would still probably make all my money back in around 3 to 4 months if strong stays around these levels, right? If price drops, then it's gonna take longer. If price goes up, then it's gonna be a lot faster, right? It's strong at its all-time high was, I think, like $1,000 or something. Yeah, so strong at its all-time high was, almost $1,200. Let's go with the grand, right, to make it easy. It was $1,000. Strong was $1,000 October 25th of last year. So if it ends up running back to that means that every single month I would be making so 9, right? I would be making 9 strong coins, and I'd be close to $9,000 monthly in passive income if we do end up running back to $1,000. That's essentially how much passive income would come in from 3 strong nodes. So what I want to do is I want to keep accumulating as many strong nodes as I possibly can right now, because I'm thinking, because we're gonna more than likely close a bullish week sometime soon, or if Bitcoin ends up recovering, I do think that we're gonna end up seeing a nice push towards the upside, possibly back to like around $1,000. And if that ends up happening, it does look like we're probably gonna close under. We're gonna break this downtrend, and we're probably gonna go down lower to under $400. So I'm probably gonna wait it out a little bit longer, because it does look like right now we are going to end up breaking this and possibly going lower. And if it does, I'm probably going to wait it out to buy some more strong, since I already purchased my 10, right? But as of right now, I am planning on having at least 3 nodes running by this upcoming Monday. But yeah, so far it's made me $269 for the last 6 days running 1 strong node. And then, I'll release a video sometime today or tomorrow, and then I'll more than likely just be picking up another node as well. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I will, I'll hopefully release that video for you guys, how to create this strong node today or tomorrow. So bye-bye.